In this video, I'll show you how to install Excalidraw plugin inside Obsidian so you can start sketching right inside your notes. So first, make sure you have the Obsidian installed and open. Now, go to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner. So this is the Obsidian. So click on the community plugins on the sidebar and then turn off safe mode to allow third-party plugins. So once that's off, click on the browse and then in the plugin browser, type Excalidraw in the search bar and you'll see it show up in results. Click on it and then hit install and then after that, click enable. And then now, go back to your Obsidian Vault. You'll see a new option there to create an Excalidraw drawing from the command palette or from the ribbon on the left. And then click on it and boom, you've got a blank canvas inside Obsidian ready for sketching. So for those who don't have an idea about Excalidraw, this is the Excalidraw where you can edit and sketch some diagrams in here. So yeah, and that's it. You have now installed Excalidraw on Obsidian. So I hope you all understand my explanation, even though I couldn't show you the exact steps in here. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.